morning. I am Asha from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. I will be discussing on the projection of planes, the rectangular lamina. The problem goes like this. A rectangular lamina of sides 20 mm into 30 mm rests on HP on one of its longer edges. The lamina is tilted about the edge on which it rests till its plane surface is inclined to HP at 45 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw its projections of the lamina. So given data in the problem is the lamina is of rectangular lamina and it is measuring dimensions are 20 into 30 mm and it is resting on HP. So first position should be below the XY line on one of its longer edges. If you see the dimension of a rectangle, the longer edge is 30 mm. So it is resting on one of its longer edges. So 30 mm should come to the extreme left position. First position is in HP. So second position, you should consider the inclination with respect to HP. And third position is inclination with respect to VP. Whatever the order, you have to follow the same order. HP, inclination with respect to HP and inclination with respect to VP. So first position, this is a rectangular lamina, longer edge 30 mm and shorter edge is 20 mm. So it will be resting on one of its longer edges. So construct a rectangle of 20 by 30 mm. Before that, draw XY line, represent VP HP since it is a first angle of projection. Now construct a rectangle of 20 mm in width and 30 mm in height because the problem says it is resting on one of its longer edges. Name the rectangle as A, B, C, D and make the entire rectangle as visible. Now project it. In the front view, it appears as a straight line and make that straight line as visible. You want to write the naming for the front view. A is visible, so A dash in bracket D dash because D is exactly behind A. So you have to write within the bracket. I can see B dash, but C dash will be hidden. Whichever is hidden, write within the bracket. Next is inclination with respect to HP. Draw an inclination line equal to 45 degree. Place your protractor and draw an inclination line equal to 45 degree. That is the inclination with respect to HP. So angle, given angle is 45 degree. Represent the angle. Now in compass, measure the distance from A dash to B dash. Transfer the measurement onto the inclination line, keeping A dash on the XY line. Now use the visible line and draw the visible line and name it as same as the first position, A dash in bracket D dash. Naming should be same as the first position because you are tilting this line to 45 degree. D dash in bracket C dash. Use projection line project the top view as well as the front view. So project top view and front view. Projected. So intersection of A with A dash is A, B with B dash is B, C with C dash is C, and D with D dash is D. Connect them using visible line and name it A, B, C, D. So this is the construction in the second position. Now inclination with respect to VP, it is 30 degree. Draw an inclination line equal to 30 degree. So it says that the edge on which it rests. So it is resting on the edge AD. Since the dimension from the first position to the second position has not been changed. So it is not a beta angle problem. It is a normal problem. So in compass, measure the distance from A to D from the second position and mark anywhere on the 30 degree inclination line and name that as A and D. You have transferred the measurement AD onto 30 degree inclination line. Now keep the protractor from each point, draw a 90 degree line. So from D, draw a 90 degree inclination line. Because if you see the second position, this angle between these two are 90 degree. Again from A, draw a 90 degree inclination line. Take the measurement from D to C from the second position with D as the center. Mark it on the 90 degree line. Again same distance from A, mark it on the 90 degree line. Now use the visible line to connect all these points. Connect all these points through visible line. Name it as already AD has been named B and C. Now use the projection line, project the top view as well as the front view. Now A with A dash will be A dash, B with B dash will be B dash, A with A dash, B with B dash, C with C dash, and D with D dash. Now connect them using visible line. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and D to A dash. So here it is A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So this completes the problem. Thank you.